Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, that is last week, we did up to Manipuri dance. We have seen the various dance form like Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, and Manipuri dance. Now we'll move to dramatic art. So let's start with dramatic art. That is next part of your folk art. So first over here comes dramatic art. Presenting sanskar with entertainment is a unique feature of Indian dramatic art. Apart from this, anchor and funny pair of clowns entertain audience. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is well known in the field of art. Dramatic art, writing of drama and performance of drama along with audiovisual aid. This trio holds the capacity to entertain the people of all age group. Yes, see now, dramatic art, writing of drama and performance of drama. Because we are studying a heritage, that's why here there is drama. But in today's world, if you compare this, it comes to movie. It is a digital type of visualization we in form of drama. Aren't we all love movies? Do not we? Yes, we do love movies. So over here we are studying of dramatic art and the trio of what? Dramatic art, writing of drama and performance of drama and audiovisual aids. This entertains the all age people. Yes, of course we do love movies. So the combination of movie is made up of what? All these things. अगर इसमें सिर्फ ऑडियो ही हो विजुअल ना हो तो वी वोंट लाइक इट if at all there is just visual no audio then also we won't like it. So it is a combination of all these things. Describing it, Bharat Muni says, there is no book, there is no sculpture, there is no knowledge, there is no deed which is lacking in dramatic art. It means everything is there in dramatic art. The first drama of Bharat Muni was Devasur Sangram. In Sanskrit literature, we have various well-known dramatists. Bhas is a poet of poets among them. He is what? Poet of poets. He has bequeathed us dramas like Karnabhar, Urubhanga, Dutvakyam based on Mahabharata. Where is Kalidas? Kalidas का नाम तो वैसे सबको पता होता है, a famous poet. The foremost poet gifted us plays like Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Vikramavashyam and Malikarni Mitram. Apart from above, many dramatists came and enriched the dramatic art of Sanskrit literature. The name of Jaishankar Sundari is the foremost in dramatic art of Gujarati. Yes, the name of Jaishankar Sundari. See here you can see the photo of that person. Besides Amrut Nayak, Bapulal Nayak, Deena Pathak, Jashwant Thakkar, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi, Deepak Ghiwal, etc. are remarkable playwrights. See now, all of you might not be knowing all this name, बट इसमें से कई सारे लोगों को आपने मूवीज़ में भी देखा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दीपक घीवाला, दीना पाठक एंड उपेंद्र त्रिवेदी, इसको हमने मूवी में भी देखा होता है पर नाम नहीं पता होता है. देयर इज़ अ ग्रेटर कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रीजनल एंड अदर ड्रामा इंस्टीट्यूशन इन दिस फील्ड. सो दिस इज़ ड्रामेटिक आर्ट. नेक्स्ट कम्स भवाई. आई हैव पर्सनली नॉट सीन भवाई एनी टाइम इन माई लाइफ, बट कई बार वो टीवी में दिखाते हैं भवाई कि वो कैसा होता है. Script writer have said that Bhavai is an emotion oriented drama. It is drama only, but it is emotion oriented drama. It is a special dramatic art that started 700 years ago by Asit Thakur. This art, which has been providing public education along with entertainment at the economical rate promoted during Solanki era. It was chiefly performed without curtain, with light humor and with music playing on trumpet. So there were no curtains and light humor. थोड़ा बहुत मजाक हुआ करता था. Characters disguised in the form of Ramdev, Jhanda Julan, Kajoda, etc. are the main features of Bhavai. Theme of Bhavai includes protest against social vices. मतलब वो थीम किस पे बेस करता है? कोई भी सोसाइटी में जो खराब चीज़ें चल रही है उसको वो जागरूक करने के लिए ये ड्रामा किए जाते हैं. The characters like Rangla Rangli are used to perform the program like girls education, save girl child, etc. Those who perform this bhavai play trumpet and pray the goddess by reciting hymns. See, bhavai is an emotional oriented drama mostly performed against the social evils to make people knowledgeable about the social evils. Then comes folk dances of Gujarat. See, in Gujarat, most of us might be knowing which are the various form of folk dances. वैसे तो गरबा और रास सबको पता होते हैं. There are varied dance forms belonging to different communities of Gujarat. These dance forms are according to the traditions and customs. Among them are tribal and folk dances, garba, ras, and many more folk dances. Such art of dance can be seen at the time of festival, marriage, and fairs. So, first comes tribal dance. Tribal dance of Gujarat is seen at the time of festival, marriage, fairs, and to please the god and goddesses. Most of the dances are performed by forming a circle along with various traditional musical instruments like drum, traditional manjira, thali, dholak with songs in regional languages. In the dance form known as chado, characters imitate different bird creatures like peacock, squirrel and sparrow. ये इन बर्ड्स को वो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. डांस लाइक मालिनो चालो एंड ठाकरियो चालो आर सीन इन डांग. सी आई हैड सर्च फॉर द पिक्चर्स ऑफ दिस डांस बट एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट अवेलेबल कि वो लोग कैसे किस टाइप का डांस करते हैं. आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग एक्चुअली. वेर एज टिपनी डांस आर लेबरर्स श्रमहारी परफॉर्म बाई भिल एंड कोली कम्युनिटी डांसर perform dance in a group at the set of thick stick which are joined with a small stick stuck on the ground. See, if you are, there are many programs on Discovery and Travel XP where we can see the cultural heritage of various places. When they are showing about Gujarat, there are some dance form of traditional dance form they used to show. Then comes next Garba. The word Garba is derived from the word Garbhadeep. Earthen lamp is placed in a whole earthen pot. Dancers keep it on their head and move around in a circle. Garbas are performed during Navratri festival. In Hindu month Aso Sud Ekam to Aso Sud Navami or somewhere up to Dasham or on Sharad Poonam. Yes, गरबा तो हम सबको पता है. 9 दिन तक हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. આપણે ઘરે ગરબો મૂકે, ગરબામાં આપણે દીપ મૂકીએ and we do આરતી for 9 days. Fine. In all part of Gujarat, Gujarati people perform and sing Garba to worship and pray Adya Shakti. We all know that prayer also. To Mother Jagdamba. Generally it is performed in the open ground and circling to the mandvi kept in the center of the ground along with the strokes of hand and beats of drum. See, many of you might not be knowing, I don't know, सब various groups में जाते ही हो, but there I have not seen कि वो जो बीच में जो भगवान की आद्य शक्ति मतलब अम्बे माँ की मूर्ति होती है एंड देन सर्कलिंग देम वी प्ले गरबा. वी यूज टू प्ले बट नाउ एज देयर आर नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप, छोटे छोटे ग्रुप में लोग गरबे खेलते हैं विच इज़ एक्चुअली सम अदर फॉर्म ऑफ डांस. Gujarati poetry known as Garba and Garbi are chiefly associated with Krishna Bhakti. Gujarati poet Dayaram wrote poems in Gujarati which made ladies sing the colorful and emotional Garbi of Lord Krishna's love. Then comes Ras. Ras is a dance to be performed in a circle along with singing. Yes, Ras में लोग खुद ही गाते हैं. There is a story that Lord Krishna had shown Ras Leela to devotee Narsi Mehta. Ras is mostly performed in Gujarat during Navratri. Mostly now we do perform गरबा नॉट रास. रास कहीं पर ही होते, बाकी आई थिंक भावनगर में तो सब जगह गरबे ही होते हैं एंड दैट टू ऑन फिल्मी सॉन्ग्स. सो रास इज performed in a circle and yes, it is performed in a circle and on Janmashtami festival we do ras on during Navratri and during Janmashtami festival. Dandiya ras is one of its form. जब डांडिया लेके हम रास गरबे खेलते that is डांडिया रास. But some people perform ras by placing earthen pot on their head. Yes, we have seen ladies putting earthen pot on their head and doing ras. Due to increasing influence of Vaishnav sect, ras has become more popular over there. Women wear traditional dresses like embroidered chaniya choli and men wear embroidered kediya dhoti when they perform ras. Yes, you have seen all this attire, you are very well known to these attires. Next comes other dances of Gujarat. सो फर्स्ट इज गोल गुफन डांस. सी फोटो हैज़ बीन शोन ओवर हियर. जो रस्सी से एक प्लेट्स अंदर लेते और बाद में वापस प्लेट्स खोलते, दैट फॉर्म ऑफ डांस इज कॉल्ड गोल गुत्थन डांस. It is performed on drum beats and tal and lay of music, tying rope with mandap, pillar, tree and holding the other end in the hand. Yes, एक रस्सी का जो एंड होता है वो या मंडप पे या पेड़ पे बंधा होता है और दूसरा एंड अपने हाथ में होता है जिससे आप प्लेट्स लेते हो और अलग फॉर्म ऑफ डिज़ाइन बनाते हो और प्लेट्स वापस खोलते भी हो. They perform dance in a group holding the rope in one hand and dandiya in other. They make creeper-like formation, going one side and other coming outside. This is repeatedly done, forming a circle. This way they make and open the guthan, मतलब plates. As I said, they plates बनाते हैं और उसको खोलते हैं. This style of dance is called Gov Guthan dance. Many of you have seen movies में भी आता है, नहीं यहाँ पर भी देखा होता है, youth festival में भी देखा है. Then comes धमाल dance of Siddhis. सिद्धिस मतलब निग्रोज लोग, निग्रो जो होते थे वो. प्रेजेंटली रिसाइडिंग इन जाम्बूर विलेज इन द सेंटर ऑफ गिर ओरिजिनली बिलोंग टू अफ्रीका. परफॉर्म दिस डांस. दे परफॉर्म डांस बाय रिदमिकली स्ट्राइकिंग मशीरा, दैट इज वॉट कोकोनट शेल कंटेनिंग earthen lamp inside, covered with cloth, wearing peacock feather, yes, and holding small drums in hand, forming a circle. They dance with a high and low pitch intonation of ho ho. Yes, I don't remember the movie but I have seen जहाँ पे ये सिद्धिस डांस दिखाते हैं, वो लोग मोर पंख लगाते हैं, ऐसे टाइप के कपड़े पहनते हैं एंड दे मेक साउंड बाय फ्रॉम देयर माउथ एंड दे गो ऑन परफॉर्मिंग with echoes in the whole forest. They dance in a group intimating the voice of animals and birds. Then comes Merayo dance, Padhar dance and Kali and Mer dance. This type of dance is seen near a stepwell of Banaskantha region. Toran is woven with a tall glass of reed and jhunjhadi. This dance is performed on drum beats and sword stick. This type of dance is called Merayo dance. In Surendranagar region, the people of Padhar community dance with tal and lay of dandiya and manjira. While dancing, they generate scene like sea waves and like a ship moving on a sea waves. Then comes Koli's dance of Saurashtra perform Koli dance holding mashiro, which is colorful cloth for tying the head and headgear, decorated with embroidered and mirrored type of green color embroidered belt. वो आपको वो जो टर्बन होती है वो ग्रीन कलर की होती है, वहाँ पे बेल्ट बांधते हैं ग्रीन कलर के दुपट्टा जैसा. They wear bhet on the wrist to perform dance. Similarly, Mer dance of Saurashtra and other dances of Barwa tribe are well known. See, the recent thing was Hilaro movie. Most of you might have seen Hilaro movie. The dances were mostly done by एक ज़्यादातर उसमें यही दिखा है कि मेल कम्युनिटी डांस करते हैं जो गरबा लेते हैं पूरा. दैट इज़ मेर डांस. वो जो डांस है वो मेर डांस था. As we have discussed in the previous chapter, here also we find that Indian culture is universal, assimilating all. As a result of arrival of various tribes since ancient time to contemporary one, many changes occurred like growth and development of handicraft, home artistry, painting, dancing and various other fine arts. This shows rich and varied heritage of Indian and it leaves permanent impression of India on the horizon of the world. Yes, permanent impression of India on the horizon of the world. बाकी तो they world might not be knowing the other form of dances, but particularly गरबा सबको पता है, चाहे वो रास फॉर्म में ले किसी हम वो उसको गरबा ही कहते हैं. So Gujarat state, Gujarat is well known for its folk dance Garba. So this chapter is getting finished over here. In this chapter we learnt about the various dance form, then dramas, then we can various art like jari work, akik work, painting work and inlay work. So this is about the handicraft and fine art. So we are stopping this chapter over here. This chapter is finished. See, I prefer all of you to write textbook answers only. Many of you might be having some reference book. Okay, if you are writing answer from them, that is also okay, but try to write answer from textbook as they are short and to the point. So explain the clay work of ancient Indian heritage. It is given on the very first page. Art of clay work. You just have to make points. If at all it is a 2 marks question, from chapter number 2 we get 2 marks or 3 marks question. So it is a 3 marks question, then you should write 5 to 6 points of that. So paragraph 1 is about art clay work. Then leather work is very old art of India. So leather work was on page number 10 and leather industry. So you can write about you can write the first paragraph if you are wanting to write the things made from that. So write about the leather industry. 2-3 example of the things made from leather. Then comes give introduction of Sangeet Ratnakar. A direct paragraph has been given of Sangeet Ratnakar, page number 10, point number 2. Then comes give information of Kathakali dance. See, in this chapter all the answers are very direct. You just have to write from the paragraph, just making a point. At least for every answer there must be 5 to 6 points. If at all it is a 2 mark question, you must write 5 points, make answer of 5 points. And if at all it is 3 mark, make the answer of 6 to 7 points. So next comes Kathakali dance, clearly given on page number 13. सब एग्जाम्पल अगर याद नहीं रहते तो किसी भी इंसान का एक डांस फॉर्म का एक इंसान का नाम याद रखो, एटलीस्ट 1-2. So then comes write the answer point wise. Explain the progress of dancing art in India. So dancing art we started with in this chapter only dancing art. See page number 14. There has been given a paragraph of dancing art. Give information of Garba and Garbi of Gujarat. Garba and Garbi of Gujarat. See it is on page number 15. Whole Garba paragraph. Describe the art of diamond bead and enamel work of Gujarat. It is also given on page number 11. Page number 10. Diamond work, bead work and enamel work. Don't write the whole paragraph. You can skip 1 to 2 points, but try to remember the most. And the tribal dances of Gujarat, which is given on the page number 15. Then 2 marks question. Name the writers of Sangeet Ratnakar and Sangeet Parijat. Direct answer has been given. Sangeet Ratnakar किसने लिखाई थी? विष्णु. No, it is not written by him. Actually, Sangeet Ratnakar was written by Pandit Saramdev, and Sangeet Parijat was written by Pandit Ahobale. The process of spinning is given on page number. Page number 9. The आर्ट ऑफ वीविंग, उसमें देखो फर्स्ट लाइन है वो आर्ट ऑफ स्पिनिंग है. जस्ट यू हैव टू राइट दैट. नेम द आइटम्स ऑफ मेटल प्रिपेयर्ड बाय आर्टिसन ऑफ लोथल. तो वो चीज़ आर्टिसन ऑफ लोथल और मेटल आइटम्स इट माइट बी गिवन ऑन yes. So it is given on page number 11. Various things like sickle and drill, that is curved saw and needles. These were made by artisans of Lothal. And write a short note on Bhavai. So it is answer in brief. So you can write at least 4 points on Bhavai. And which design did artisan make on clay utensils? ये आंसर डिज़ाइन का दिया है नहीं. टेक्स्ट बुक में एक्चुअली कौन सा डिज़ाइन आर्टिसन क्ले यूटेंसिल पर बनाते थे वो दिया है नहीं. Then comes MCQ. So first answer, which of the following work is of Kalidas? It is Meghdut. With which dance style is Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini associated? They are associated with Bharatnatyam. Then comes which Veda is associated with music? It is Samved. Who is known as Tutiye Hind? Amir Khushro. Chhado dance means which dance? It is a tribal dance. Siddhis, the dancer of Dhamal dance, were native of Africa. And on which day do we celebrate World Yoga Day? It is 21st June. See, all the answers in this chapter, actually all the answers are from textbook. Civics में थोड़ा hard लगता है आंसर ढूंढना, but if you talk about history and geography, it is direct answer from textbook. So I hope, and if at all you are not getting, then you can ask me. So we'll finish this chapter over here. This chapter is quite big, but it is a easy chapter. Read it 2 times and learn it. Thank you.